In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you're cleaning up your timeline and you have an audio track that you no longer need, removing it is very quick and simple. This can be useful if you imported extra audio by mistake, created a temporary track during editing, or just want to keep your project more organized and easier to work with. To get started, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and look at the timeline area where your audio tracks are displayed. Find the specific audio track that you want to delete. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if your project has several tracks stacked together. Taking a second to confirm this can help you avoid removing the wrong track and having to undo the action afterward. Once you've found the audio track you want to remove, move your cursor over to that track in the timeline. Then right-click directly on the track header or the track area associated with that audio line. This will open a context menu with several options related to that track. From that menu, choose the option that says Delete Track. As soon as you click it, DaVinci Resolve will remove that audio track from your timeline. That's all you need to do. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that deleting a track removes the track itself from the timeline layout, so it's a good idea to be certain you no longer need it before you do this. If you accidentally delete the wrong track, you can usually undo the action right away using the undo command, which can save time and prevent frustration. This is a very useful feature when you're trying to simplify a project, reduce clutter, or prepare your timeline for final editing and export. A cleaner timeline can make it much easier to focus on the audio that actually matters in your project. So again, the process is simple. Go to the audio track you want to delete, right-click on it, and then choose Delete Track. After that, the track is gone. That's how to delete audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve.